fasten while the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep it fastened whenever you are seated. Please take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. The toilets are located at each end of the cabin, one at the front and two at the rear. And just a reminder that smoking is not permitted at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. Shortly we'll commence our bistro service, offering a range of sandwiches, drinks and snacks, which are detailed in menu 3 today. That's the range we have today, is menu 3. Our preferred method of payment is credit or debit card. If paying by cash, we accept euros and most major currencies, and the correct change would be greatly appreciated. Additionally, later on we'll come through with our boutique service, where we have our range of gifts, gadgets, fragrances, cosmetics, jewellery and watches. If you'd like to know anything or have any questions, then just ask as we shortly join you in the cabin. Thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte halten Sie Ihren Sitzgurt geschlossen, bis die Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet worden sind. Wir empfehlen Ihnen, während des gesamten Fluges angeschnallt zu bleiben. Die Toiletten befinden sich am vorderen und am hinteren Ende der Kabine und bitte beachten Sie, dass das Rauchen an Bord zu keiner Zeit gestattet ist. Dies gilt auch für elektronische Zigaretten. Wir beginnen kurz unser Bordverkauf, tagesfrischer Snacks sowie heißer oder kalter Getränke von der Bar. Bitte beachten Sie, dass Sie nur die Sandwiches aus dem Menü 3 in der Westfront dabei haben.